Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. Take a look at this incredible value find. This is a 2017 Chevy Traverse Premier all-wheel drive. If you are looking for a really nice 7-passenger SUV with lots of luxury but don't want to break the bank, this is for sure at the top of your list. This has only 164,000 kilometers, no accident history, black on black, and it's in fantastic condition. We're going to take you on a tour of all the great features on this Traverse so you can get a great look at it right from the comfort of your own home. Now, this features the Hit the Road package, the trailering package, and as I mentioned, this is the 7-passenger model. So you're going to see the captain's chairs in the second row. Now, underneath the hood, this features a 3.6-liter V6 engine connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it is, of course, all-wheel drive. Now, you can tow up to 5,200 pounds with this Traverse. So if you've got a boat or some jet skis or something fun at home that you like to bring up to the cottage or whatever, this is going to be absolutely great for you. The Hit the Road package features these nice side steps that you see below the doors. It also has the roof racks up top with crossbars, which is kind of a nice accessory to get in that package. Now up front here, we've got these great looking 20-inch alloy wheels. Looks like brand new Michelin rubber on there as well. As I mentioned, you got these nice little side steps that help the little ones get in. LED turn signals in the side view mirrors. You'll see, look at all the chrome on the exterior. And then up top, the roof rails with the crossbars. So that way you can load up the top with some cool stuff, maybe bikes, kayaks, canoes, whatever the case. You choose, but load it up. Why not make use of those? Coming around the back, really neat looking tail lights. Again, lots of chrome on this. And then taking a step back here, you can see the full deal. Now it's got dual exhaust down below. And I love the fact that we have this nice chrome bumper finisher here, so that way you don't go scratching up your nice paint. The Premier badge, everything looks fantastic. Now, popping open our power tailgate. With the third row seats up, you still have some good cargo space back here. I would say it's probably, closer to almost 2 feet of cargo space. So it's got lots of room if you're loading this up, headed up to the cottage. That's going to work well for you. We also have the folding rear seats, so you just give this a pull and then push that down, and then you can see it's nice and flat. Now, this is the nice cargo mat that was left in from the previous owners. You can see it protects the back of the seat, so when your seats are folded down, you're not scratching them up or getting them all dirty. I think that's really nice as well. Let's close this up. Let's continue around the passenger side so you can see all 4 corners of this Traverse. With the purchase of this vehicle, we are going to give you 4 free oil changes here at OMS. It's just a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us, so take us up on that. Now up front, great looking headlights, some driving lights down below, nice big front grille. Love the gold Chevy bow tie on the front. Isn't that handsome? Now, let's go take a look on the inside. We're going to start off with the back seats. Here is our captain's chairs. Now, look at the beautiful leather. Look up because we have that secondary sunroof in the back. Has a sunshade up there as well in case you want to close it up. Maybe it's a little too bright. But these seats are in great condition. Now, they are on sliders, so you can slide them back or forward to accommodate for people in the third row. If you have someone back there, obviously you'll slide it back a little bit further. Tri-zone climate control. All right, we also have some controls for the radio back here with some headphone jacks as well, which is kind of cool. USB ports down here. And then to get into the third row, you could certainly come through here and hang out right, or you can simply just do this. And, whoops, did I do it the wrong way? I did do it the wrong way. 1 second, sorry, wrong one. Pull this. There we go. And you can hop into the back seat that way too. I'm not doing it properly, I don't know. There's a way to do it where it all kind of tumbles forward. You'll just have to trust me, or you can just hop in that way as well. Now up front, here we have a power tilt and slide sunroof. Again, same great, beautiful leather seating. This is a non-smoker vehicle. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support, which is hooked up to a 2-driver memory setting. And I'm gonna forget to tell you, this has a Bose stereo system. So great audio. Now, let's hop in. All right, so now that we're inside here, you can see that this is really nicely laid out cabin. Lots of nice material. Love that dark wood grain trim, which kind of continues on in the center console here. All right, so up front we have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise on the wheel, volume control, Bluetooth controls on the steering wheel. And then in the odometer here, you can see 164,540 kilometers. Now, up top, there is a little storage box there. So if you wanted to maybe put some gum and some pens or what have you up there, you can do that. The infotainment system has XM satellite radio. We have onboard navigation as well. All right, we've got the XM satellite radio there, USB, Stitcher radio. I don't know if that's a thing anymore. Is Stitcher radio a thing? I don't know. But a nice looking center console infotainment system, rear view camera as well. It's all there. Dual zone climate control. And then we have heated front seats for the driver and the passenger. Now you'll see we also have the tow mode button there, this one right here. So that way, if you are towing, it will help the transmission not hunt for gears. Makes it a little bit easier when you are towing in something behind you. Big center console, lots of storage here, lots of storage in our armrest as well. But just a nice and neat and tidy interior here, again, in fantastic condition. Now, last but not least is our vehicle file. So here we have our build sheet. So this is going to show you all of the features and options that came with this Traverse. And then we have our Carfax. So low kilometers, I would agree, for 2017. 18 service records. That's absolutely fantastic. Tons of maintenance done on this. And the only thing to talk about, it's had the windshield replaced a few times. That's, can happen. That's pretty common. So yeah, no accidents, low kilometers, great condition, and here at Ontario Motor Sales. So you can reserve this online on our website with a click of a few buttons, or I should say, come down here to OMS, bring the family and take this out for a test drive. You're gonna love it. It's loaded with features. It's not gonna break the bank, and it will be a great family vehicle for years to come. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon at Ontario Motor Sales.